Alright, so I left the GoPro at home, but we're gonna try vlogging with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, which is way overkill for what we usually do. But we're headed to Midway Cafe with some friends. We're gonna grab some breakfast. We've actually already been there for lunch and it was delicious. So we're gonna go check it out for breakfast. Yeah. Get some pancakes.
Also, this is not ours.
Yeah.
But I might do it a couple times.
We don't couch surf if we're staying in a place for
Oh, that's like 7 rooms.
Delicious.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, after that delicious breakfast, we're now going to we're gonna hike Flattop, which is a really popular hike to do in the Anchorage area. Really close to the city too, which is nice. So we're gonna meet up with a friend and then go on this hike. And I think this hike promises some pretty spectacular views, so I'm excited about it.
It looks exactly like the hills of Rohan.
nice.
Yep. That's a big climb. That was a hike. That was really intense going up there, but the views at the end, at the top, were absolutely gorgeous. So really glad we got to go up there. And so we're here with Brandon, who brought me my tripod all the way from Florida. And the sun is getting low in the sky. We're gonna go to a park. We're going to try to fly his drone. I might try to get some footage. I don't know. We're gonna see what the view's like at this park. So after we left the park, what did you leave on the windshield there?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Nothing. He left his phone case on the windshield, and halfway down the road, going about 40 miles an hour, it just flies off into the street.
Well, at least it wasn't my phone.
At least it wasn't your phone, and at least it wasn't like your card case with a bunch of SD cards in it or something.